Speedie DiDi, and today we're gonna learn how to fix cars. Are you ready? Let's go! Speedie DiDi!
Woohoo! I love driving fast! Oh no! I better call 911 for help! 911!
911, what's your emergency?
There's been a really bad car crash!
What is your location?
245 Main Street.
Okay, I found you. I'm calling for help.
Hello, emergency services.
We have a two-vehicle collision at 245 Main Street. All emergency vehicles are to be dispatched.
We're on our way.
Help is here. Don't worry. Police car here. Who needs help? I'm okay. We gotta check on the race car.
Ambulance here. Is anybody hurt?
I'm alright, but I do need a mechanic.
I'll call you both tow trucks and then I'll come to investigate. Requesting 2 tow trucks immediately. 2 tow trucks.
Tow truck, who called a tow truck?
Great. Could you please help me down?
Oh yeah. Off we go! DiDi, I have a visitor for you.
All right, bring them in.
Oh, careful, careful.
Oh no, Demo Duke, what happened?
I was going way too fast and I didn't see the red light.
What?
And I crashed into a race car.
Oh no, that sounds terrible.
One more coming.
All right, bring her in. Race car, you are in really bad shape.
I'm okay. I just need new parts.
Well, I'm glad to hear that you guys are not in pain. And you've come to the right place to get fixed up. DiDi's Mechanic Shop. A car mechanic is someone who's trained to fix vehicles. To do is get our tools. These are all tools. They will help us fix the cars.
I'm bringing the tools, Didi.
Awesome! Our race car has different parts. This red part right here is the car's body. The body of the car identifies its shape and its style. But different cars have different bodies. For example, the body of this sports car is different from the body of an SUV. And the SUV has a different body than this electric car. The race car also has a cockpit, which is the area where the driver sits. In our toy race car, the cockpit looks like this. Our race car has a closed cockpit. That's because it has this black screen that protects the driver from dirt, debris, and rain. Let's attach this black screen to the red frame so it doesn't fall out. To do that, we need to place a screw right here. These little things are all screws. And so are these. Now, we just need a screwdriver, which is this yellow tool. A screwdriver works like this. Let's attach the black screen to the frame. Awesome! Next, let's attach the front bumper. The front bumper is this part of the car. It's usually the first one to get damaged in minor collisions. Let's put in the front bumper. There we go. All right, guys, almost done. All we have left to do is attach the tires and the rims. This is a rim. Without a tire, it looks like this. And you already know that this is a tire. The tire is placed on the rim, like this. to allow the vehicle to move. Let's put them on. Well, race car, you are all fixed up and ready to go! Woohoo!
Thanks, DiDi.
No problem, race car. Bye! Well, Demo Duke, it's finally your turn. We just need to fix you up a little bit and you'll be on your way. Demo Duke is a really special car. Are you ready to show them, Demo Duke?
Let's do it, DiDi.
How cool is that?
Woohoo! Thanks, DiDi. I'm gonna go crash into some rocks. Yeehaw! I'm a wreck! Haha!
Well, Demo Duke sure seems to be having a lot of fun. Do you want to keep playing together? My channel has a lot of fun and educational videos. So check out my channel, Speedie DiDi, and I'll see you there. Hey, I'm Speedie DiDi, and I have a really fun and educational YouTube channel for kids with Peppa Pig, Paw Patrol, Play-Doh, construction trucks, CJ Masks, Barbie, and lots more. So check out my videos and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you on our next adventure. That's me.